Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by turning on the Developer tab so the tools are visible. Open File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and check Developer. Once done, make sure macro settings match your security needs through Trust Center, because macros control automation and can pose risks. You should also add Developer to the Quick Access toolbar for speed. Now that the environment is visible and security is set, move directly to the Visual Basic Editor to inspect the default project and the immediately available controls. You insert a button or drop-down from Developer Insert and decide Form versus ActiveX. Form controls are simpler. ActiveX gives more events. Next, press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic Editor and add a module for reusable macros. Once recorded, edit procedures to replace cell references with variables, and reference objects like this workbook and active sheet so code is robust. Use F8 to step through code and immediate window to test expressions. This middle phase is where you finish by assigning macros to controls and saving the file as an XLSM workbook so automation persists. Make sure to lock or protect sheets if needed, and consider setting a trusted location to avoid repeated macro prompts. Export modules or the entire project for versioning. If things go wrong, check macro security settings first, then confirm control names and object references. Often a mismatch or a disabled macro causes failures. If an error persists, step through code with the debugger to isolate the line that fails.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.